Hello, I'm Christine Chapman and I'm the Chair of the National Assembly's Children and Young People Committee. We are conducting an inquiry into adoption and we would like to hear from people involved in the adoption process. The process of adoption can involve some of our most vulnerable children, and the committee has chosen to carry out this inquiry because we believe there are unnecessary delays in the process which cause undue stress on both children and prospective families. The inquiry will look at the delivery of adoption services in Wales and consider how effectively they reflect the rights of the child. We will be taking on board the experiences of those directly affected by the adoption process, including prospective parents, adoptive parents and adopted children, and asking how they are supported throughout the process. We are aware that the Welsh Government is currently implementing changes to adoption services and has set out plans to form a single national adoption agency in its programme for the next 5 years. As a committee, we are keen to undertake this important inquiry now in the hope that our findings will help shape adoption policy in the future and help to remove some of the unnecessary stress for all those involved in the adoption process. We would like to hear from anyone who has an opinion or interest in this area. If you'd like to contribute, please contact us on the email address at the bottom of the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.